Exercise 1, prayer squat. Lower into a deep squat. Bring your palms together and press your elbows against your inner knees while gently pulsing your hips up and down in a controlled motion. Exercise 2, frog stretch. Get down on your elbows and knees, spread your knees wide, and slowly rock your hips forward and back to open up the pelvic area. Exercise 3, yoga squat. Drop into a deep squat with your hands in a prayer position, then lean forward, place your palms on the floor, and lift your hips slightly as your legs begin to straighten. Exercise 4, supine butterfly. Lie on your back, place your hands behind your head, bring the soles of your feet together, and gently pulse your knees downward in a steady rhythm. Exercise 5, seated pelvic. Sit with your legs in a wide V shape. Support yourself with your hands behind you, and lightly rotate your hips forward and back to improve mobility. Exercise 6, lying leg abduction. Lie flat with your legs raised straight up, slowly open them into a V shape. Then bring them back together in a controlled movement. Exercise 7, sliding leg curl with towel. Lie on your back with your feet on a towel, lift your hips, and smoothly slide your feet in and out while keeping your core engaged.